Woodpeckers are a group of birds known for their distinctive drumming and drilling behavior. They use their strong beaks to excavate holes in trees, searching for insects and creating nesting cavities. These remarkable birds play a crucial role in our ecosystems, helping to control insect populations and providing homes for other wildlife. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of one such woodpecker, the white-naped woodpecker. White-naped woodpecker species is endemic to the Indian subcontinent. It is usually associated with open forest and scrub with some trees. As per the IUCN list, this bird comes under the least concern category, Chrysocolaptes festivus. This Latin binomial name of this bird species is very interesting. Genus Chrysocolaptes roughly translates to the Greek for golden chiseler, and the species name festivus is Latin for cheerful or festive. A very apt name indeed, once you observe the bird at work in its natural habitat. The white-naped woodpecker is a large species, measuring 29 centimeters in length. Its distinctive features include a white hind neck that extends down its back, bordered by black shoulder patches that form a V shape. The upper parts and wings are a striking golden yellow, while the rump and tail are black. The tail is stiff, providing support as the bird clings to tree trunks. The bird's underparts are white with dark chevron markings. Its head is whitish with a dark moustache stripe and a distinctive black eye patch that extends down the neck sides. The woodpecker's large, strong, straight-pointed bill is well suited for drilling into wood. Its feet are yoked, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, allowing it to grip tree trunks with ease. Anyone can easily distinguish the sexes by looking at their crown. Yes, the adult male white-naped woodpecker has a red crown, and females have a yellow crown. Young birds are colored like the female, but duller. Call of white-naped woodpecker is also quite distinct. It is tinnier, higher-pitched rattle than goldenbacks. All phrases drop noticeably in pitch, reminiscent of crested kingfisher. It nests in a tree hole, laying 1 or 2 white eggs. As guardians of the forest, white-naped woodpeckers play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. By controlling insect populations, they help to preserve the health of our forests. So, the next time you hear that rhythmic drumming echoing through the woods, take a moment to appreciate the incredible white-naped woodpecker, a true treasure of the Indian subcontinent.